At Fravashi International Academy, we organize a plethora of student-organized events like Model United Nations, Fravashi Unity Leagues, their own Interact Club. These events tackle many 21st century survival skills that the students will need, like problem solving, collaboration, interacting with people outside their domain, coming up with solutions to unforeseen circumstances.
We at Fravashi International Academy help our students to be self-learners through their various experiences, like participating in the Interact Club, where they gather lots of stationaries for the underprivileged students at Anganwadi. At the same time, our students are involved in the water harvesting project in Nashik. And lastly, we have opened up a seed bank, which will be collected, all the seeds will be collected and given to the farmers.
Curriculum at FIA supports the emotional competencies of students. We have a team of clinical psychologists who believe in promoting mental health. We empower the students behaviorally, psychologically, and emotionally, which in turn transfers these attributes in the classroom as in their academic performance.
FIA encourages students' creative contributions through the special assemblies, the inter-school competitions, the Olympiad, industrial visits. It's an exhaustive list that we're talking about.
At Fravashi International Academy, we cater all the different kinds of the skills, whether it is holistic development, whether it is physical needs, it is emotional needs, collaborative needs, or the individual needs.
We imbibe certain skills and disciplines in our students. Some of these skills are storytelling, where we use certain resources like the flashcards, the puppets, and many others. The students are encouraged to discuss certain aspects in the story, to discuss the problem solving, as well the different elements of the story, like the plot, the character, the theme, and other things. They use all these skills in their daily activities, like in the creative writing, in their comprehension skills, as a speaker in a annual day or sports day.